Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by inspecting the file, check resolution, DPI, and color mode so you know the limits. Duplicate the layer immediately and convert it to a smart object. This preserves quality when you apply filters. Once done, work at 100% view and toggle rulers and grid so you can see true edge detail. Make sure to keep an untouched backup layer off to the side. Now you're ready to correct low-quality text without committing to destructive edits. You'll next remove compression artifacts and restore edge clarity. Start with camera raw or filter noise, reduce noise, keeping preserved details around 10 to 30% so you don't oversmooth. Then apply Smart Sharpen with a small radius, reducing noise and selecting Remove, Lens Blur for cleaner edges. Once sharpened, add a 0.5 to 1. 5-pixel high pass on overlay to tighten contrast on letter forms and mask to avoid halos. These steps rehabilitate strokes while maintaining the original type shape. You finish by deciding whether to recreate the text or repair it in place. If recreation is best, sample font, size, and kerning, place a new type layer, and align it exactly to the original. If you repair, use a small clone stamp and the healing brush at 2 to 5 pixels to clean anti-aliased edges, then reapply sharpening selectively. Finally, save your layered PSD and export a lossless 300 dpi PNG or TIFF. Troubleshoot. If halos appear, reduce high pass radius and refine your mask.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.